Gen, for instance, is a global, Gen Nigeria is a platform that we all come together and putting our different bits into it. We're not competing at the Gen platform level. Everybody, exactly. There's so much to be done.
Yeah.
And so everybody understands that. And because Gen Nigeria is a neutral platform, it makes it easier for everybody to be part of it. I chair the trustee of Gen Nigeria since we started. But we do it that everybody has something to contribute.
Yes.
And so you bring that to the table. And then, so long as all of us are bringing something to the table, there's enough for us to learn, to share, and to make Nigeria better. And that's where we are. And when we bring all of these people to a global congress like this, then people's eyes open even more. And they say, we got to do better when we get back home. And so a congress like this recharges us, both as the ecosystem players or even innovators, everybody that are here. Some of the people that we have trained, we have brought them here.
I saw that.
You saw them. So we probably have a very large contingent from Nigeria. And the whole idea is, let us make this even better when we get back.
And I hear that Jed is trying to host in the near future.
Yeah.
So it's a good one.
We've been on this now, and this is the first time that we're seeing a very high level commitment from the federal government, at the ministerial level, at even the office of the president. The vice president SA is here. We've been on this conversation for a while. I think it's a good opportunity, good time. Jonathan has been in Lagos. We've seen what is possible. And we are keeping our fingers crossed that this is possible. Lagos is very vibrant. There is very vibrant. There are many things, that we will bring to the table beyond even the ecosystem and all of that. Jollof rice will definitely come into it. There's so many exciting things.
So Jonathan is the chairperson of
He's for the global entrepreneurship. Yes, so excited about that. Yes.
And he's been to Lagos and
he's been to Lagos now at least 2, maybe 3 times. Once he was there and to give some keynotes for one of our events. And then he went to Abuja, was in Lagos. We looked at the various possibilities, hotels and all of that. And
I can tell you
it is possible.
that Lagos State is ready to partner on Gen when you're ready, and via the Lagos State Employment Trust Fund platform and the able leadership of the governor of Lagos State, we will, be ready to partner that. And if we bring the world to Lagos, obviously they would have a feel of Lagos, and they will know what we're talking about, and that will absolutely drive the investors' flow and the partnership and all that.
We've already laid this foundation, to be quite honest with you, as Lagos State anyway.
Yes.
It was going to either be Lagos or Abuja, but the reality also is in terms of where and the combination of many things, the availabilities of all the entrepreneurs, Lagos is just very vibrant for all of that. And I think we will have a completely different experience from what we have had so far. I've been part of Gen for like 12, 13, maybe even 14 since the beginning. I think I probably missed the first one, but after that, EDC has been part of it throughout, and they have been leading Nigeria all the way through. We've not missed not a single one any year.
So it's exciting to know that we're linked to 200 other countries. Absolutely. Seen it at this conference. We've all interacted.
Absolutely.
And we all know we all find out that we have similar experiences, even if we're different parts of the
one thing I love about the Congress is that once you wear your patch,
yes, you literally just,
honestly speaking, people will just stop you on the way and just greet you, ask you questions, introduce themselves.
Yes.
There are no airs around it. Everybody's
because they're so openers and
they just open. They just,
people who problem solvers who just go ahead and do things.
That's it.
And that's what we are.
I've met quite a number of people in just this morning alone. Most of them I've sent emails to them already. We've connected on WhatsApp. And that's the good thing about attending a congress like this. People are very open. People are very willing. We've all created different WhatsApp platforms. People are taking pictures. They are stumbling in there. Everybody is so excited. And so the whole of the week, even people are going, we're having dinners together, drinks together. Of course, the number one that we must not forget is the Nigerian. It used to be the Nigerian night, but we expanded it now to the African night.
It's Nigerian night.
It used to be Nigerian and now is African night, because we look forward to we brought South Africa in, and hopefully every other person too will come in. But it's always a go-to place during the Congress.
Great. So great to meet you again, Mr. Banky.
Thank
And nice meeting you.
you. Thank you so much. Have a nice one.
Yes.